Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power liftgate, tow hitch, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.